Today, we're welcoming a very special young lady to experience Legoland New York Resort.
On behalf of the eSight Corporation, I'd like to present this, your very own eSight 4 device.
Every day, we strive to create unforgettable memories for children and families. And like every kid playing with Lego bricks, we want all children to be able to imagine themselves as a part of the Legoland New York story, whatever their needs and abilities.
This device is designed to enhance vision, allowing you to live more independently while you're at school or pursuing your hobbies or just while you're out and about trying to move around. This is of course possible through a partnership with Merlin Entertainment, Legoland New York Resort, and eSight, and we hope it brings you joy for many years to come. Thank you.